Hi viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Pimcore CMS on Linux Mint 3. Pimcore is a free and open source enterprise content management system. It is written in PHP and uses MySQL database. And then Pimcore is used to create and manage web applications and digital presence. And Pimcore comes with a user-friendly and easy to use web interface. Okay, now let us see how to install Pimcore CMS on Linux Mint 3. Before starting your installation, you have to need LAMP setup, that is Apache, MySQL and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 7.0. Okay, now first of all we have to download the Pimcore CMS package using by wget command. The download is going on. The download is complete now. Then we have to extract this download file using by unzip command. Then we have to list out this directory. Then we have to change ownership and permission for the Pimcore directory. Then we have to move the Pimcore directory into the //www/html directory using by move command. Then we have to configure the virtual host for Pimcore CMS. So go to site available location. Here we have to create pimcore.conf file using by vim editor. Now change insert mode. Here we have to create name based virtual host. So add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. Then we have to enable the pimcore.conf file. Then we have to enable the rewrite module. Then after enabling, we have to enter to the host file. Here give our local IP. Then give our domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart our Apache web server. Then after restarting our Apache web server, we have to open the browser. Here you can give IP address or domain name. Here I am giving my domain name. Here it will show on a Pimcore CMS installation. First of all, here we can see database setting. Here already I have created database and database user. So we have to build the database detail. First of all, we have to give database username, then password, then database name. Then after filling the details, scroll down. Then here we can see admin user setting. So we have to give admin credential. First of all, we have to give username. Username always admin. Then we have to give password. Then finally we have to click install now. Now here we can see the installation is going on. The installation is complete now. Then here we can see login page of Pimcore CMS. Now we have to give username and password. Then we have to click login. Then finally here we can see admin page of Pimcore CMS. Thus we have seen how to install Pimcore CMS on Linux mainnet in Mint 3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxhelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.